What's up YouTube, Tenchi Arizona of the Dracolope crew here, and as you can see I've already started unboxing this, forgetting to turn the camera on before I did so sorry about that. But this is something I only ordered yesterday, so I wasn't expecting it to arrive today. I'm pretty glad that it has, because it means I'm going to get 2 videos away today instead of 1. So let's finish the unboxing as I started it with my Tops tie bow with Carry Customs micarta handle scales on it. So let's get back to it, shall we? Now, as I've said, I wasn't expecting this to arrive today as I only ordered it yesterday. So what have I ordered? Well, I wanted to get myself a slightly bigger blade, something a little different to what I've had in the past. So I ordered myself a new Schrade knife, the SCHF52, which is very well packed. Now, I ordered this from edcgear.co.uk. That's the packaging out of the way. Well, at least most of it. We've still got the Schrade box, obviously. Turn this bugger around. There we go. As I said, I ordered this yesterday, was not expecting it to arrive today at all, but they sent it via 24-hour signed for delivery. So let's crack her open. Now, is there any tape that I'll have to cut? Yep, here there is. Sorry about this, folks. I wasn't expecting it to be so well packed, to be honest. So now we should be able to get into it. And I'm really looking forward to seeing what this knife is like. Schrade, you do a good job packing your stuff, but then I would expect that from you. Of course, the standard warning card and all that you get with most Schrade blades. So, get the oxygen absorber out of the way. I'll keep that in one of my knife drawers. And get my T-bow away. Tie-bow, T-bow, whichever. Sheath, not too fond of the sheath, to be honest. I'm not too fond of nylon. It does come with some nice goodies. Nice little ferro rod and a nice sized diamond sharpening stone, a relatively coarse one, so that's not too bad actually. I'm actually kind of impressed with that. I'll leave the ferro rod out for now and we'll get this chunk of steel out. That is actually really comfortable up in the forward position and back. Even with a little three finger action. That is nice. That's a nice hunk of steel. I am thoroughly impressed by this blade. Have I got any card left so I can give it an initial test? Let's move the sheath up here. Not going to bother with the small stuff. Going to go straight for this heavy duty card. If it will please focus in for me. Come on, please focus. Sorry about this, it is a new lens, I'm still getting used to it, trying to find its sweet spot, but there you go, see it's a pretty thick card. I'm going to get my fingers well back on this. Oh, I have to zoom out again. Sorry about this, guys, and it's a bit rambly, I know, but oh yeah, I'm loving this blade. Jeez. Big blade, but damn, it cuts well. So, the newest addition to my arsenal, the Schrade SCHF52. Now, will I post this video today or will I wait till tomorrow? You know what? I think I may post it today. Again, sorry about the focus. Trying to get used to this new lens is not easy. I'm going to manual focus it because, yeah. There we go, look at that. That's a beauty of a blade. Nice thick spine. I've got no doubts that would strike a ferro rod. I've seen plenty of reviews of this blade already, to be honest. But yeah, that's it. My new Schrade blade, the SCHF52. Well, I know this was a rambly vid and it wasn't my best quality, but that's all for now. If you like it, please subscribe. And remember, be good to each other.